What do you do if your customer's not paying? How do you chase those debts? Well, the first thing is, don't ever be afraid to ask for the money. You have sold them something, whether it's a product or a service. They owe you the money, that's it. They should pay for it, and you have every right to ask for it. Always be polite and never ever lose your temper. Make sure you keep a record of each phone call or contact you make with them, because you may use email as well, of course. And certainly be firm on your payment terms, and if necessary, put a customer on stop. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean you stop selling to them, but it does mean that if you do sell to them, they have to pay you up front rather than having credit. And also, overall, ensure your invoice figures are accurate. People using excuses such as there's a small error on the invoice is often one used to extend payment dates by, up to a month or more. As a last resort, if you really think it's worth it, if the debt due to you is big enough, then you can go to a lawyer. But it's something you really want to avoid because it can be very expensive. It is not just about, making late customers pay you the money. It's about a whole policy. It's about how you manage the whole aspect of your customers, of your debtors. It's a whole part of managing working capital. You need to do it proactively. So set your policies, make sure your T&Cs are right, make sure you've got credit references. If you can always insure some of your customers. But it's a continuous thing, not just when things go wrong. And if you have a good credit control policy overall that's managed on a permanent basis, then hopefully you won't have any customers that pay late.